What if you could completely automate your sales process? No more rejection from phone calls, no more rejections from sliding in the DM, no more rejections in your affiliate marketing business. Completely automating your sales process, 90% done for you, so you can simply just drive traffic to this automated sales process, sit back, relax, and collect commissions. I'm gonna show you how to do that in this exact video. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr., the Wolf of Marketing himself, and in this video I'm simply going to go ahead and show you guys the solution to your problem and how to completely automate 90% of your sales process, one and done. You set it up one time, you drive traffic to it, you get people in front of it, and you're going to generate commissions on autopilot. I know it sounds a little bit crazy, but this is going to make complete sense, right? So basically what I want to introduce you guys into is called a sales funnel. Now, when I first started affiliate marketing, basically, I used to call people, I used to text people, I used to try to recruit people to get them to buy the stuff that I was selling. And what I noticed is I was never going to be able to get rich trading my time for money because I only had so much time in a day, right? So basically, what I came across was sales funnels, right? And what a sales funnel is simply, I like to call it a digital sales person. It literally completely automates your sales process online. So instead of you calling people, closing them, selling them, you simply find a way, which we'll cover that in the next stuff, right? But you find a way to get people in front of these affiliate offers, or excuse me, these sales funnels, and then basically it completely sells them on autopilot. And this sales process right here, you're gonna leverage, right, the affiliate offers, but then you're also going to be able to follow up with people. So instead of you tracking people down, burning relationships, continuously following up with people saying, are you going to buy my stuff? Are you going to buy my stuff? I'm going to teach you guys how to do it on complete autopilot, right? So stick with me in this full video. We're going to cover that, right? Now, if this is your first time coming across me, guys, subscribe, hit that notifications bell. I'm going to teach you guys how to crush it. Now, guys, there's 3 different sales funnels that I like to use as an affiliate. There's so many ways that you guys can actually monetize affiliate marketing with sales funnels, but I'm going to break down my favorite 3, right? So first one is the general opt-in funnel. Basically, and down below, guys, I'm not going to break down how to create sales funnels, but what I use is called ClickFunnels, and they actually have training on the inside that teaches you how to use their stuff, right? So you'll learn how to actually build this stuff, but we're going to break down what actually sales funnels are and how you can actually leverage these to automate your sales process. So number 1 is the general opt-in funnel. Basically, depending on who your target audience is, let's just say I'm doing weight loss products or even make money online products, I'm simply going to go ahead and get my landing page in front of these people, right? But the difference between a sales funnel and a website is a website basically has different options. I can click the home page, I can click the about page, I can click the blog page, I click everywhere, right? But it doesn't make me money. The difference between a website and a sales funnel is they only have one option. It's either go to the next step or leave. So the thing is that it's guided towards that sale. It's guided to get you to that sale. So people aren't just clicking around. It's, look, either go to the next step or don't, leave, right? And when people do go to the next step, they're simply going to be taken through a process that allows them to buy your products. So the first step in your sales funnel, in this opt-in funnel, is basically having a curiosity building headline that basically, this is the simplest, guys. This is what I would recommend as a beginner, right? Curiosity building headline, meaning, let's just say I was doing weight loss. I would say something along the lines of, if you wanted to learn how to lose, or how breaking news, avoiding this one vegetable allowed Jessica to burn 12 pounds of belly fat in less than 23 days. And then you'll have a call to action. Click the button down below to get access to this hidden secret, right? So I'm not going to go into copywriting. We already went into that with one of the videos you guys watched beforehand. But that's an example of copy, and you're just building curiosity. What? This one veggie that she avoid, blah, 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 blah. And it builds the curiosity, and basically on the next page, they decide to click, which is basically going to be your affiliate marketing link. And that could be the weight loss link. Basically what's going to happen is they're going to go ahead and put in their email. They're going to get access to this this weight loss affiliate marketing page. And then I put VSL right here. What VSL means is video sales letter. So to make it simple, it's basically a sales presentation. So it's a sales presentation to where you don't have to sell people. You don't have to close people. You don't have to try to sell the product yourself. You don't have to face rejection. You simply traffic, which I don't know if I showed you guys the video before this about traffic or after this about traffic, but basically you're gonna drive traffic, targeted traffic, to this page right here, and based off this curiosity building headline, they're gonna put in their email, and then they'll get access to your affiliate offer. When they get access to your affiliate offer, it's gonna go ahead and sell them, and then a percentage, let's just say 1 to 3%, meaning 100 out of, or excuse me, 3 out of 100 may actually buy, which is gonna go ahead and get you paid commissions. So let's show you how automated this is, right? So we drove traffic. So let's just say my traffic in this source is a Facebook ad, right? So I got a Facebook ad, and I got my ad in front of the perfect audience who wanted to lose weight. I got them into to my curiosity building headline opt-in landing page. They put in their email. They get access to the affiliate marketing offer, the ClickBank offer, or whatever affiliate marketing offer I'm offering. They decide to buy, right? They decide to buy after they watch the sales presentation. Boom, I get paid a commission. All I had to do was set up the sales funnel. Super simple. Drive traffic with my traffic method. Super simple. And 90% of the sales process is done for me now. 1 to 3% of the people are gonna buy. Boom, I just made a commission. So I drove the traffic through this funnel. They put in their email, and then I got a commission. Now, why is it important to capture these emails? Because with these emails, you're gonna be able to follow up with email marketing, and you can even do stuff like retargeting if you import this list on things like Facebook or Google. You can start retargeting these people with ads. That's a whole nother subject, but at least bare minimum, we're gonna be able to do email marketing. So that's funnel number 1. It's very simple. It's a basic opt-in funnel. Number 2 is a 3-step sales funnel. So the same thing, but instead of just having a curiosity building headline, this is more so building a relationship with people, right? So the thing is, with this sales funnel, you're gonna have something called a lead magnet. Now, most likely you're watching this course right here, the free ClickBank course. This course is actually a lead magnet, right? It's a free course to get you inside my funnel. You're inside my funnel, right? But the lead magnet is basically something that you're giving away for free, something of value, whether it's an ebook, whether it's a free course, whether it's a free training video, whether it's a free podcast, whether it's a free campaign, whether it's a free, anything for free. So what you want to do is something that's congruent with your audience, something that you know that they would love for free. You give it to them for free in exchange for their email. They're gonna go ahead and get access. They're gonna put in their email, right? Now what happens is these people are solely putting in their email to get this free thing. So the benefit of this funnel, sales funnel number 2, is that you're gonna get more quality emails because people are gonna be putting in their real email to get access to this free thing because they want you to send them that free thing. But what's gonna happen is this page is the bridge page. So this is a little bit different. The first step is curiosity building. They see it, they buy. Very simple. This one is curiosity building bridge page. They're gonna go ahead and you could either have a video or a non-video, and what you're simply gonna say is, hey, listen, your free thing is on its way, right? But while you wait, I want you to go to watch this video, or while you wait, take a look at this. And in this page right here, I like to call this a bridge page because you bridge the 2 pages together. So you're gonna put this in between your landing page and in between your your affiliate sales page. But this allows you to build even more of a relationship before you sell them something. So not only are you giving them something for free, it's called reciprocity. When somebody opens the door for you, you feel inclined to open the door for them. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and basically, I said, hey, listen, your free thing is on its way to your email, right? So they're gonna be more responsive to your email marketing. But number 2 is you're gonna be able to pre-sell them. You're gonna be able to tell them and get them prepped, so allows them to get from, let's just say they were coming off of Facebook, you're gonna take them from a social setting to a buying state right here, which is basically going to allow you to get much higher conversions on your video sales letter. So over here where you're losing conversions because you're adding a second page, is going to increase conversions to the people who actually see your sales presentation because you pre-sold them with this content right here. I hope this is making sense. Does that make sense? So you're going to take an L because you have 3 pages here, so the conversions aren't going to be as good, but people are going to be more likely to buy right here. And this builds reciprocity to where they'll be more responsive with your email marketing because they're going to open it for this lead magnet, and it's going to allow you to build a relationship with people, which will allow them to buy stuff with your email marketing back end because of the reciprocity. So I'll call this my reciprocity funnel, right? So over here is just more so curiosity based. I'm going to be able to follow up with them. They get access to my offer. Boom, I make a sale. This is more so bringing them through a relationship, building a relationship, giving them something for free, building reciprocity, them to still buy, redirecting them to a paid offer. So basically, after you kind of like say, hey, your free thing that you requested is on its way, but I want to check this out. Look at what this is. Look at how this has helped me. Look at what this has done for me. Then you're bringing them here. This one is just more so wham, bam, thank you, man, buy my stuff, and then I'm going to follow up with you aggressively, right? So 2 different approaches. It depends on how you are as a marketer. I use both of these, so it depends on which route you want to go. And last but not least, if you don't feel like doing email marketing, there's something called just putting a pre-sale page in front. Now, the thing with putting a pre-sale page in front is the only problem is with pre-sale pages is you don't have the ability to follow up. The only way you could follow up is if you put a pixel, an advertisement pixel, and I'm not going to cover that. This is just a basic mini course, free course. But basically, when you set up a pixel, you can retarget people who didn't go to the next step of your funnel. That's the only way you're going to be able to follow up with people. But the cool thing is that you don't have to worry about email marketing or setting up an email marketing campaign. So one pre-sale page is called an advertorial. This is just a landing page, and the things like this, these are so for like Facebook ads. Facebook ads do not like when you put a direct affiliate link. If you make a link on Facebook, go ahead and shut your account down. So with a pre-sale page, which basically has the advertisement copy, it has the call to action, it has the headline. You're gonna have call to actions throughout this, but it's gonna be kind of like a little article or some sort of pre-sale content that takes people from, so here's traffic again. It takes people from a social, so it's kind of like this page, it takes people from a social standpoint to a buying standpoint. So it brings them from social to buying, and then they'll be more prepped to actually buy your affiliate offer. So it's good to have a pre-sale page. Right? When it comes to your ads, it'll make sure that you don't get your ads shut down, and it'll also prep these people to where you can kind of build a relationship and get them into a buying state to where when they do get access to your affiliate offer, they see your offer, they buy, they take action, and you make money, right? So guys, with that being said, I'm not going to cover how to create these. Why? Because once you get access to ClickFunnels, which is you can down below get access to the actual link. It'll give you to be able to get access to it for free. You need this software to be able to get access to it for free. So once you get access to it for free, then there's going to be training that'll teach you how to do all this stuff, right? I just wanted to break down what it is, and then you can kind of figure out which route you want to go, right? So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, join Wolves Nation, join the family, right? And if you guys want access to my inner circle, the exclusive content, the ongoing training, the future live events that we're going to be having, grab access to Wolves Inner Circle, click the first link in the description, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. As always, Eric Ellis Jr., your boy, checking out.